purposely hid the SV40 in these vaccine vials from the FDA.
Yes, FDA has actually admitted to that now. And two other Health Canada's admitted it. TGA's admitted it. The EMA's admitted it.
And what do you think the reason for hiding that? Do you think it's nefarious, or do you think it's just
intentional? It's intentional deception. Yeah, if they had that in there, it would not have gotten to market, and they would have maybe lost $100 billion.
And this was just. Do you think this was about money, just
Absolutely.
to save money?
Yeah. If they showed them SV40, they would have been delayed probably at least 6 months. They would have missed the market. Because that would have triggered alarm bells at the FDA that, oh my God, there's SV40 components in here. What are you doing? Oh, you got this from your gene therapy department? That's what they did is in order to speed this up. Pfizer has a hilarious paper of them kind of chest pounding how wonderfully fast they released these vaccines, how they kind of built the plane while it was flying thing, right? One of these, self-backslapping type of papers. But if you go through that paper, you'll see that, hey, we were really quick at this because we have a gene therapy department. We were able to call them up and get these plasmids. That's where SV40 comes from. They use SV40 because it's a nuclear targeting sequence. It drives DNA right to the nucleus so that it can integrate. So this is a tool that's used for gene therapy, and Pfizer's like on record bragging about, yeah, we just lifted that and threw it into these COVID vaccines. And we're going to inject it into billions of people and see what happens. If the regulators saw SV40, I think they would have stopped and said, wait a minute, that's a nuclear targeting sequence. That's actually can replicate mammalian cells. You can't have something that replicates mammalian cells in your background, because that means 10 nanograms can become 100 nanograms or a microgram after it gets into a human cell. You have the machinery in there to teach human cells to keep replicating this. So once this came out, of course, they all claimed we were conspiracy theorists until the FDA went through their files and looked at the sequence Pfizer gave them and said, oh, wait a minute, it's in there.